Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to see a poem, Rain. You all know that rain is such a wonderful thing we all love the most. It's a very natural thing which we all enjoy a lot. So come, let us see the poem, and the poem is very short poem. See, the sun is shining brighter and the children are playing and the man is licking an ice cream. It seems the climate is very hot. Okay. So now what happened? Suddenly the clouds grouping together. Okay. The sun is moving and the clouds are grouping together. Clouds comes looking for you. Now more clouds come together. More clouds come together. Now you know what will happen. If the clouds come together, automatically there will be a rain. Yes, see the children how they are playing. Here comes a rain. Whenever there is a rain, we people will love to play in the rain, jumping, dancing, everything. Look at the rain, how beautifully it is. See the girl, what she is doing. In her umbrella also, the rain falling down. And look at the girl, what she is doing. She is helping those ducks from the rain. We also should help others like this, children. See, it's raining. The children are jumping, playing. We also will do the same. Sing and dance. It's cool again. Ready for our poem? Yeah. Rain. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. The rain is raining all around. See, the rain is raining all around, everywhere. It falls on field and tree. In the field where the crops will be grown and also in the trees. Everywhere the rain is falling. And also it rains on the umbrellas here. Whomever having the umbrellas, in all their umbrellas the rain is falling. Okay. And also on the ships at sea. In the sea you will be having the ships. On the ships also the rain is falling. So it is very small poem. The concept of the poem is the rain is raining everywhere. Wherever it showers its blessings to all. That is the concept of the poem Rain. Hope you understand the poem, children. Now we come across to the new words, meanings and usage. So the first new word is field. Field is nothing but an open area. That is an area of open land planted with the crops. Okay. We are walking in the field. The farmers were watering the crops in the field. The second word is umbrellas. Umbrellas is nothing but it is used for protection against the sun and the rain. We should always carry umbrella in the rainy days. My umbrella is red in color. The third word is ships. Ships is nothing but the large boat for transporting people or goods by sea. That is exporting or traveling. The purpose the ship is used. So example, I like to travel in the ship at the sea. The travel cost of the ships is very expensive. Now the rhyming words. Hot, dot, hot, pot. Cry, dry, fly, sky, bring, ring, sing, wing, drain, grain, pain, rain, So you all know that rhyming word is nothing but which is sounds the same. Okay, when we take the two words should have the same sound. So the next heading is answer the following. Where does the rain fall? The rain falls on fields and trees. The rain falls on fields and trees. What do people use when it rains? People use umbrella when it rains. People use umbrella when it rains. So this is nothing but fill in the blanks using the word given below. Here I had given 5 words: river, pond, sea and lake. 4 words. So you have to place the apt word there. The ship is sailing on the sea. Okay. The river flows from the mountain. The duck is swimming in the lake. The frog lives in the pond. Here I have given the answers for your reference. The ship is sailing on the sea. The river flows from the mountain. The duck is swimming in the lake and the frog lives in the pond. Hope you understand this, children. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye. I am happy to teach you this poem, children. And we have enjoyed the rain along with the poem. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.